How to switch account in YouTube in iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of View. Now over here, you will find this option of Switch Account. Click on it. With that, you will be able to find all the accounts that you are logged in right now. Now go ahead and click on the account that you want to log in. Just click on it. With that, I have just switched my account on YouTube. Likewise, if you want to add a new account, again head towards this option of View. Click on the option of Switch Account. Now over here, you will see the option of Add Account. Click on it. YouTube wants to use google.com to sign in. Click on Continue. Now type in your credentials, email or phone number, and then click on Next. Likewise, type in the password, and with that, you will be logged into your YouTube account. Well, this is how you can easily switch account in YouTube in iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.